you're going to start by putting your arm panel right here, tucking this yellow hose down. You want to grab these, just twist them on there. Alright. Super snug. Put that behind here. Alright. Then you want to align your sides up with the arm panel. The long bolts on here. Alright. Then you want to grab your arm. Alright, after that's done, you want to put on your arm panel. Alright, after you're done putting on the side arm panel, you want to make sure that you align all your caps for the correct one.